Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at rows over here, and I'm going to show you the long time frame, and I'm also going to scale down to the small time frame just so I can show you exactly what rows is going to do. Before I dive into the analysis, I'm going to show you what a flat pattern is. There's many different variations of flat patterns. You have a 3-wave move up, you have your peak, your downtrend, or in other words, your counter trend. So a 3-wave move down, which in which your C wave either takes out this low or this low, because you have over leveraged traders at these levels. And then you have a 5-wave move to the upside. So you have an A, B, C, and then this would be considered your A wave. And then you have an A, B, C, and then this would be your B wave. And then you have a C wave to the upside in a 5-wave fashion. Okay, so we see that exact same thing happening with Oasis, but instead of taking out this low, instead of taking out this low and then rallying, we actually went down to this low, much like Algorand, and a few other coins. So what you had over here is a 5-wave move up within your A wave, a WXY correction for your B wave. Okay, so this is your 5 waves, your WXY correction, and then another 5-wave move up with an ending diagonal in your 5th wave to formulate your macro A wave. Then you come down for your B wave, you have a 3-wave move down, sweeping your let me see here, your June 2021 lows. Okay, we swept those June 2021 lows. This was your accumulation right over here, right? All the retail thought we were breaking out, but what did we do? We did one last sweep for our manipulation phase. So that's accumulation. This is manipulation. Okay, then now we're starting our C wave to the upside. So the C wave is going to be impulsive. So you have a 5-wave move to the upside, you have an ABC down, and then another 5-wave move up for within your 3rd wave, come down for a 4th, and then you have a 5th wave up. So within your 3rd wave over here, it looks like we just finished our wave 3 of 3. Now we're about to do wave 5 of 3. Let's go to the... Okay, so we actually formed a bullish daily pin bar right off the 1.236 or the 618. So it looks like it's front running many alts, much like Solana and ADA. Okay, we have an inverted head and shoulders over here. This is your inverted head and shoulders pattern. So if you're going to look for an entry, you're going to want to wait for a pullback to the neckline and then get in. Now remember, most altcoins are tied to the price action of Bitcoin, but considering this correction is done, we may be in uncharted territories, but at the same time, you're going to want to look for a reasonable pullback so you can enter your position in. Because smart money, they're not getting in over here. They're waiting. So what you can do is, let me see here. Okay. Okay, so we have hit the 100% fib over there. And we are finding some resistance. let's take a look at our momentum indicator on the 1 hour, and we are printing some bearish divergence here from your X wave high to this current high. And then we have a lower high and then a higher high on the indicator. So that's bearish divergence. Plus we've also hit the 100% fib, and then when we take a fib from our X wave high down to our Y wave low, we've also hit the 78.6% fib. So there we have hit some resistance here, so it wouldn't surprise me that we see a move down, right? This can also be an X wave, and then we come down for another Y, just like that, just below this low, to take out all of these over leveraged traders at 0.098 and 0.08865. Okay, so bulls definitely want to see a move above that 78.6% fib, and so we can negate this negative divergence we have here on the 1 hour. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to come to your chart. You're gonna take a fib from this low over here on the 3 hour time frame up to this high, or that you could say local high. Take out your 50% and your 61.8% fib, as well as your 702. And let's also take a look at your 786. So as soon as bulls lose this level over here, then it's likely we are going to come down for a WXYXY correction, rather than this just being your wave 4 low. So so if you want to enter a position, you would slowly enter in at these fibs over here. But at the same time, you must be cautious, because if we lose this support over here, depending on what Bitcoin does, we can come down for one more low. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the Oasis video. If you have any questions, just let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.